Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today in this quick video I will be showing you guys how to turn off parental controls on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing that I want you to do is go and open your settings and then scroll down, tap on screen time. Again, scroll it down and then select content privacy settings. Here, if you have the content privacy restriction toggle button turned on, turn it off, and that's pretty much it. If you don't want to turn off the content and privacy restriction but want to make some customization regarding websites, videos and all, what you have to do is go to content restrictions, then tap on web content and then customize your wants accordingly. Here on the add website, you can also add the URL of the website that you'd want to restrict. The next one is private messaging. Tap on it and then tap on don't allow. Doing this, you will no longer be able to send private messages. So that's it. I hope you find this video useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and also drop a comment down below. Thank you for watching.